Good morning, students. Our topic for today is force due to gravity and acceleration due to gravity. Let us start with the first topic, that is force due to gravity first. We all know, according to Newton's law of gravitation, Earth exerts force on the object placed on it. Now, if you consider the mass of the Earth equal to 5.96 into 10 to the power 24 kg and radius equal to 6.37 into 10 to the power 6 meter. That is, if this can be considered as the Earth with this mass and the radius equal to 6.37 into 10 to the power 6 meter. Let a body of mass 1 kg is placed on the surface. So this force of attraction caused by the Earth on this body is called force of gravity. Let us say how much it will be if we consider mass of body equal to 1 kg. Now we know F is equal to G mm upon r square. On putting these values, G is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into mass of the Earth 5.96 into 10 to the power 24 and mass of the body, that is this small body, is 1 kg divided by the distance between the two bodies. So this radius can be considered as the distance between the Earth and the object placed on the surface of Earth. So it is equal to 6.37 into 10 to the power 6 meter square. Now when we calculate all this, we will get equal to 9.8 Newton. So this is the force that the Earth will exert on a body of mass 1 kg when placed on its surface. Let us now come to acceleration due to gravity. But you should know one more thing here, that if Earth exerts a force of 9.8 Newton on this body, this small body, even the small body also exerts equal amount of force on the Earth. But because this small body is a movable body, so can easily be found moving towards the Earth, and the Earth on the other hand, because of its large inertia, does not get affected due to this small force. Next is acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity is the acceleration produced by the freely or on the freely falling bodies by the action of gravity of the Earth. So whenever any object is capable of falling freely towards the Earth under the action of gravity, the acceleration produced is called acceleration due to gravity. And this acceleration due to gravity is not same on the Earth, it varies from place to place. For example, acceleration due to gravity on the equator is slightly less than at the poles. But the mean value of acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meter per second square. Small g denotes acceleration due to gravity, and this is the mean value of acceleration due to gravity on the Earth. Now acceleration due to gravity also decreases with increase in altitude above the surface of Earth, and it also decreases when we go below the Earth that is when the depth decreases, and exactly at the center of the earth the acceleration due to gravity becomes 0. Now let us get the value of g and the relation between small g and capital G, that is the acceleration due to gravity and gravitational constant. We all know, according to Newton's law of motion, the force acting on the body produces an acceleration which is given by F is equal to m into a. This expression is according to Newton's second law of motion. And according to Newton's law of gravitation, the force acting on the body is given by F is equal to g m into m divided by r square. So from equation 1 and 2, this force on the left hand side can balance each other, and we get mg, because this acceleration due to gravity, this a can be written as mg also, because this is also acceleration due to gravity. So we can write mg equal to g mm by r square. Now when you cancel this small m, we get the value of acceleration due to gravity is equal to g m by r square. Now it is clear from this fact that acceleration produced by a body depends on the mass of the body and also the distance of the body. This is also the relation between small g and capital G. Let us now try to see what value of g we will get on going to the moon. Remember, the value of g, that is acceleration due to gravity of the moon, is 1/6 times the acceleration due to gravity of the earth. We can write acceleration due to gravity on moon is equal to 1/6 the acceleration due to gravity on the earth. Let us see how it came. So here we have the acceleration due to gravity on the earth and on the moon. We know the relation g is equal to gm by r square. On putting the value of g, and mass of the earth is 5.96 into 10 to the power 24 kg, radius of the earth is 6.37 into 10 to the power 6, that is whole square. So we are getting the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth will be 9.8 meter per second square. But when we put the value of mass of the moon as 7.36 into 10 to the power 22 and the radius of moon is 1.75 into 10 to the power 6 square, we are getting the value of g, that is acceleration due to gravity on the moon, 1.6 meter per second square. On dividing these two, that is acceleration due to gravity on moon and on the earth, we are getting 1/6 nearly. So approximately 1/6 is coming, which is equal to acceleration due to gravity on the moon will be 1/6 the acceleration due to gravity on the earth. And it is because of this reason that the weight of a body decreases by 1/6 when that body is taken on the moon. Thank you, and next day we will discuss about mass and weight. Thank you.